Hey guys, welcome to Just Pinoy Investing. How are you doing? It's been a while. So I just want to give you a quick video, guys, since it's our payout week again. For those who are holding MSTY, or we call it MISTY, based on MicroStrategy stocks. So maybe if some of you are following my videos or my channel, you know that I have kind of enough shares in MISTY that I've been holding on just to keep receiving a monthly dividends. So as of today, I have total of 1,150 shares. It's just my prediction that based on the trend that we had for the past few weeks, I would say the bear case that we can receive a dividend is about $1 or few cents per share, but we will be lucky if we're gonna get at least $2 based on this current trend. So as you know, we have a week that actually MicroStrategy stocks went up around 5 to 10% or 15%, and then of course there are some corrections happen. But with these fluctuations of volatility of the stocks, normally the Yield Max ETF are trying to take advantage of this uptrend volatility. So again, the bear case would be around $1 or 50 cents, but it would be good if we will get a bullish kind of prediction of around $2. Okay, $2 or more. So again, congratulations for those who are holding the MSTY dividend ETF, and let me know and share in this video, guys, as a comment, how many shares do you have of MISTY, and how long have you been investing in this ETF? So for me, as you know, I started to invest in ETF and Yield Max since last year. So I started from Connie, and since I already took a profit for Connie, I'm investing in MSTY, and I'm planning to hold my shares for more than a year, or it depends on my personal preference in terms of the investment. I may take some profit or I'll keep it for long. So again, remember, our goal for this channel is to share the good tips or strategy in terms of investing, and of course our ultimate goal is to become free and retire early. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, guys. For my existing subscribers, I always appreciate you following my channel. If you are new and you're just looking for kind of idea what are the good stocks and ETFs that you can invest, stay tuned, and you can also hear from our friends here what are the stocks that they have been following for now. So again, congratulations, guys. Thank you for watching, and God bless.